So today we're going to do some balanced breathing. By doing this, you will steady your body with your breath. First, sit mindfully with your spine straight and your body relaxed, and take 3 slow, mindful breaths. Good. Press one of your fingers against one nostril to block it off. Breathe in through your other nostril and hold your breath. Now remove your fingers and block off the other nostril. Breathe out slowly through the open nostril and breathe in again. Block the first nostril again and breathe out slowly through the open nostril and then breathe in again. Continue switching sides. Breathe out and in 3 times on each side. When you are done, relax your hands in your lap. Take 3 more mindful breaths through both nostrils. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling. In the comment box below, describe how this balanced breathing exercise made you feel.